Welcome back to Krosstrail, your destination for discovering the world's most luxurious stays, iconic experiences, and unforgettable journeys. Today, we're heading to the entertainment capital of the world, Las Vegas, Nevada. A city of bright lights, world-class dining, spectacular shows, and some of the most luxurious hotels, resorts, and casinos ever built. In this video, we'll explore the top 20 luxury stays you simply must experience at least once in your lifetime. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a high roller trip, a luxury family vacation, or just want to indulge in Vegas glam, this list has something for everyone. Let's begin. 1. The Bellagio. We start with one of the most iconic luxury properties in the world, the Bellagio. Famous for its grand dancing fountains, this resort delivers a timeless blend of elegance and excitement. Inside, you'll find marble floors, botanical gardens, Michelin star dining, and a casino that attracts players from across the globe. Its rooms and suites offer stunning views, especially the fountain view rooms, which light up the night in unforgettable style. 2. The Venetian Resort. The Venetian brings the romance of Italy straight to the Las Vegas Strip. With all-suite accommodations, winding indoor canals, handcrafted architecture, and serenading gondoliers, it's one of the most immersive luxury resorts in the city. Its massive casino, world-class restaurants, and luxury shopping at the Grand Canal shops make it a dream destination for travelers who want elegance with entertainment. 3. The Palazzo at the Venetian. As the sister tower to the Venetian, the Palazzo offers even larger suites, modern interiors, and a more refined atmosphere. Guests love its quieter vibe, elevated dining options, and luxurious pool experiences. Together, the Venetian and the Palazzo create one of the largest and most impressive luxury complexes in the world. 4. Wynn Las Vegas. Next is Wynn Las Vegas, a masterpiece of modern luxury. Known for its immaculate design, lush gardens, and high-end shopping, Wynn is perfect for travelers who expect nothing but the best. Its casino is sleek, glamorous, and one of the most sophisticated gaming spaces in Las Vegas. Wynn is also home to top-tier restaurants, a gorgeous spa, and entertainment that has defined the Vegas experience. 5. Encore at Wynn. Connected to Wynn is its luxurious sister property, Encore. With rich decor, oversized suites, and a vibrant nightlife scene, Encore adds an extra layer of elegance. Its casino attracts high rollers, and its European-style pools create a relaxed, upscale atmosphere. If you love modern luxury with bold design, Encore is a must-stay. 6. Caesar's Palace. One of the most famous hotels in the world, Caesar's Palace continues to set the standard for Vegas extravagance. Inspired by ancient Rome, the resort features towering columns, grand statues, and palatial suites fit for royalty. The Garden of the Gods Pool Oasis, with its 7 themed pools, is a highlight. And of course, entertainment at the Colosseum, featuring global superstars, makes this resort a full Las Vegas experience within itself. 7. Aria Resort and Casino. Aria is where luxury meets technology. This modern resort features smart rooms, artistic architecture, and a sleek, contemporary casino. Aria's fine dining options, massive pool area, and award-winning spa make it a favorite for young luxury travelers and business professionals alike. It's stylish, sharp, and effortlessly elegant. 8. The Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas. For a luxury stay with personality, the Cosmopolitan is the place to be. Its biggest highlight? Terrace suites with breathtaking views of the Strip, something few other Vegas hotels offer. The resort is known for its vibrant nightlife, the beautiful chandelier bar, eclectic dining, and modern rooms with artistic flair. The Cosmopolitan blends luxury with a youthful, energetic vibe. 9. Four Seasons Hotel Las Vegas. Looking for luxury without the noise of a casino? The Four Seasons Las Vegas is a peaceful oasis just steps away from the action. It offers the quiet sophistication Four Seasons is known for, from impeccably designed rooms to world-class service. Guests can still enjoy access to Mandalay Bay's amenities, making it the perfect balance of relaxation and entertainment. 10. Waldorf Astoria Las Vegas. Elegant, minimalist, and thoughtfully designed, the Waldorf Astoria brings refined Asian-inspired luxury to the Strip. With no casino inside, it's ideal for travelers who prefer calm, privacy, and exclusivity. The hotel's sky lobby and floor-to-ceiling windows offer stunning views. Its spa is among the best in the world, making it a sanctuary above the city. 11. The Cromwell. If boutique luxury is more your style, the Cromwell is the perfect pick. This intimate hotel offers personalized service, stylish rooms, and a chic casino with a warm, inviting atmosphere. It's one of the few truly boutique luxury properties on the Strip. 12. Mandalay Bay. Mandalay Bay brings tropical luxury to the desert. With its sandy bottom beach, wave pool, and lush landscaping, the resort feels like a vacation within a vacation. It also features world-class dining, large modern rooms, and an impressive casino. 13. Delano Las Vegas. Connected to Mandalay Bay, Delano offers sophisticated, all-suite accommodations with a quiet, elegant vibe. Its minimalist design, beautiful lobby, and spacious suites make it a top choice for those seeking calm luxury with easy access to Mandalay Bay's attractions. 14. The Mirage. The Mirage combines classic Vegas energy with tropical elegance. Famous for its volcano and lush animal habitats, the resort provides warm, welcoming luxury. Its pool area is considered one of the best on the Strip, and the hotel offers fantastic entertainment and dining. 15. MGM Grand. The iconic MGM Grand is one of the largest hotels in the world, and a must-visit for entertainment lovers. From premium rooms to dozens of restaurants, theaters, and one of the biggest casinos in the city, MGM Grand delivers excitement along with luxury. 16. The Signature at MGM Grand. For travelers who prefer a quieter, smoke-free experience, the Signature offers condo-style suites with kitchenettes, balconies, and access to MGM amenities. It's perfect for families or extended stays. 17. Conrad Las Vegas at Resorts World. Part of the brand new Resorts World complex, Conrad Las Vegas is modern, vibrant, and built for luxury. Its rooms are spacious and stylish, and guests enjoy access to the newest casino on the Strip, along with incredible dining and entertainment. 18. Crockford's Las Vegas, LXR Hotels. For guests who want an ultra-exclusive stay, Crockford's is the crown jewel of Resorts World. With private check-in, premium suites, and top-tier service, it offers a level of luxury comparable to the finest global hotels. 19. Paris Las Vegas, bringing Parisian charm to Nevada. Paris Las Vegas features elegant rooms, the iconic Eiffel Tower replica, and beautiful French-inspired interiors. Its casino and restaurants add a romantic, European touch to the Vegas experience. 20. The Strat Hotel, Casino and Tower. Last on our list, but definitely unforgettable, is the Strat. Built around the tallest observation tower in the United States, it offers spectacular panoramic views of the city. With newly renovated rooms, a lively casino, thrill rides, and sky-high dining, the Strat is a unique blend of excitement and luxury. And that was our guide to the top 20 luxury hotels, resorts, and casinos you must stay in when visiting Las Vegas. From timeless classics to modern masterpieces, each of these properties brings something extraordinary to your Vegas experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow travelers. Let us know in the comments which luxury hotel in Vegas is your favorite, or which one you plan to visit next. Thanks for watching Krosstrail. Until next time, travel well, and travel in style.